Hi, welcome to this video. Today we'll be discussing about cryptocurrency. So cryptocurrency are nothing but the currencies which are not physical. So let us understand what is physical currency. Physical currency are nothing but the the currency which we use in real world, such as rupees, dollars, and cryptocurrency is something which we use to pay for the goods and services, but it is in digital format. It is not physical. It cannot be touched by hand, but it can be stored using technologies called cryptography. So crypto in cryptocurrency stands for cryptography. Cryptography is nothing but a technique to store the data which is transparently available to everybody for the record, but it is encrypted, so not everybody can read it properly, and it is almost impossible for it to change it. Now cryptocurrency is stored in wallet. So there are two types of keys related to a wallet. One is public key and one is private key. So let us discuss private key in our upcoming videos.